Welcome to Mind Exposed. Today, we confront a silent epidemic, stealing your most valuable asset, your focus. You sit down to work, full of intention, ready to be productive. You tell yourself, this time, I'll concentrate. And 5 minutes later, you're checking your phone. You open one app and lose 30 minutes. So what happened to your focus? The truth is terrifying. You didn't lose it. It was stolen. And the thieves are getting smarter. Your brain was originally built for deep, sustained attention. Our ancestors needed it to survive, but modern apps are built to destroy it. Every notification interrupts thought. Every short video trains impatience. Every swipe teaches distraction, actively undermining your mental discipline. Your mind is rapidly adapting to this onslaught. It expects constant, high-intensity stimulation, shifting its baseline for normal engagement. That is why silence feels boring, and deep, meaningful work feels genuinely painful. This cognitive restructuring means what happens next gets worse. This constant struggle leads to internal conflict. You look at your failures and start to blame yourself. You call yourself lazy. You think discipline is missing, but the truth is, your fundamental attention system is exhausted, not lazy. You trained your brain to switch instead of stay, to react instead of focus, to consume instead of create. And now, even 10 minutes of deep work feels impossibly hard. How long can you focus honestly without an interruption? Take a moment to comment below. The damage this is causing is deeper than you think. When focus disappears, it doesn't just affect your work time. The consequences spread across your entire life. Dreams slow down, goals stay unfinished, and confidence drops. You stay busy, but you achieve virtually nothing of real value. Stress increases because you are constantly behind, constantly fighting the urge to switch tasks. You are running on a productivity treadmill, going nowhere. And the worst part, you start believing this fragmentation is who you are. It is not. You are not broken. Your habits are, but there is a powerful way back. The first step to reclaiming your mind is realizing that you are in control of the inputs. You decide what gets your attention. Turn off useless notifications. Work in complete silence. Put the phone away in another room when you need deep work. Train longer attention daily. Read physical books to rebuild mental stamina. Protect your mornings to create before you consume. Start by focusing on one task at a time. Focus is exactly like a muscle. The more you consciously train it, pushing past that feeling of boredom or pain, the stronger and more easily it returns. Take back your mind. Take back your future. If you found this insight valuable, hit that subscribe button to join Mind Exposed.